Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bontone speaker. First, let's identify the various connection options your speaker offers, such as auxiliary, RCA, or Bluetooth. Understanding these will help you choose the best method for your audio source. We will then prepare your devices, ensuring they are ready for a seamless connection. This guide will cover both wired and wireless setup processes, making it easy to get your music playing in no time. For wired connections, you have a couple of straightforward options. An auxiliary cable, typically a 3.5mm jack, provides a direct audio link from your device to the speaker. Simply plug one end into your audio source and the other into the speaker's auxiliary input. For stereo sound, RCA cables, often color-coded red and white, connect to corresponding ports on both your speaker and audio device. Always ensure a snug fit for optimal sound quality. Connecting wirelessly via Bluetooth is incredibly convenient. First, power on your Bontone speaker and activate its Bluetooth pairing mode, usually indicated by a flashing light. Next, go to your audio device's settings and turn on Bluetooth, allowing it to search for nearby devices. Once your Bontone speaker appears in the list, select it to initiate pairing. Most connections are established within a few seconds, offering a wireless range of up to 30 feet. If you encounter any issues, start by checking the basics. For wired connections, ensure all cables are securely plugged into the correct ports on both your speaker and audio source. Always confirm that both your Bontone speaker and the connected device are powered on and fully charged if applicable. Finally, adjust the volume levels on both your speaker and the audio source to an audible setting. These simple steps resolve most common connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.